everyone, let's make these chairs. So cut the shape from cardboard, make the seat and make the legs using straws. Cut small pieces of straw and paste all of them together using hot glue gun and it's done. Look at this fun craft, let's make it at home. So take 2 bamboo sticks and cut small pieces and paste all of them together. Tie a rubber band like this and then tie this string as well, and look, it's ready. Similarly, you can hold the rubber band and look, it's done. Look at these colorful spinners, let's make them. So we are going to recycle these caps, make a hole at the center and paste all of them together. You can use this straw or this stick, put them at the center and it's ready. Let's make this colorful spin wheel. So we're going to cut 2 circles, color them, make a hole. Now cut these earbuds and paste them together like this. Put the straw at the center, color them as well. Let's make the stand using earbuds. Dab them on this clay and look, your colorful spin wheel is ready. Let's recycle these ice cream sticks and make a very fun indoor game. So we're going to tie them together using rubber band and then paste this bottle cap on the top of it, and look, your indoor game is ready. It's launcher. Here we're going to make homemade bow and arrow for indoor games. So you can use this lighter and give it shape by melting the plastic and then tie them together using rubber band. Look like this. Similarly, you can add more rubber band and you can use this earbud as arrow, and look, it's ready. Here we're going to make this bow and arrow using earbud and rubber band. So take 3 earbuds and tie them together using rubber band. After this, we're going to use this earbud as arrow and it's ready. Look at these mini pickers, let's make them. So we're going to roll this paper and then fold it and put 2 sticks on both sides. After this, you can also paste them using this tape, and look, you can pick it like this and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.